Have you ever woken up with a cough and wondered if it is just a common cold or something more serious, like the flu? It can be tricky to tell the difference, especially when both can make you feel miserable. When trying to identify a cold or flu-related cough, the key is to pay attention to its characteristics and the other symptoms accompanying it. A flu cough is typically dry, persistent, and can feel deep in your chest, often accompanied by significant body aches, fever, and extreme fatigue. In contrast, a cold cough tends to be more productive with mucus, usually starts gradually, and is often paired with sneezing and a runny nose, but rarely a high fever or severe body aches. The reason for these differences lies in how the viruses affect your respiratory system. The influenza virus, which causes the flu, tends to attack the entire respiratory tract more aggressively, leading to inflammation that often results in a harsh, dry cough. The common cold viruses, on the other hand, primarily affect the upper respiratory system, leading to nasal congestion and irritation that triggers a more phlegmy cough as your body tries to clear the mucus. To better distinguish your cough, consider its onset and severity. For a cold, the cough and other symptoms usually develop slowly over a few days, starting mildly and gradually worsening. With the flu, symptoms often hit suddenly and intensely, including the cough, and you will likely feel much sicker almost immediately. Notice if your cough is accompanied by a sudden high fever of 100 degrees Fahrenheit or more, significant body aches, or extreme exhaustion, as these strongly suggest the flu. An important insight is that while a cough is a symptom of both illnesses, the flu often brings systemic symptoms that a cold typically does not. For instance, the flu can cause severe muscle pain and headache that affect your entire body, making you feel completely drained, while a cold usually keeps symptoms contained to above the neck, except for the cough itself. Recognizing this broader pattern of symptoms is crucial. Understanding these distinctions can empower you to better assess your condition and make informed decisions about your health. By carefully observing the type of cough, its progression, and the presence of other specific symptoms like high fever or severe body aches, you can better determine if you are dealing with a cold or the flu, helping you to decide on appropriate care and when to consult a healthcare professional.